Hi, I'm going to be walking you through lesson 1 in turtle programming. If you are going to code.org, go to your dashboard. You can find your course down here where it says classroom sections, or you could go into the course catalog and look for it. What we're looking for right now is the self-paced introduction to turtle programming in App Lab. And you can click there. And we're going to start with lesson 1. Lesson 1, task 1, starts with a video. Please pause this video and play that video on your screen now. Okay. Task 2 asks us to, it's using simple commands, and it is literally a simple command. If we read the information at the top, it's reminding you that there are only 4 turtle commands. So if you look in this toolbox, you're going to see that there are only 4 turtle commands. They're asking you to write some code in an efficient way. So the word efficient means that you want to have as few blocks as possible when we're talking about coding. So our first do this is right here. They want us to draw a 1x1 square to the front and left of the turtle as efficiently as possible. So if you look at this drawing that is playing in the background, you're going to see that, first of all, when I'm looking at the screen to the left now, when I start off with this turtle, it's starting off facing in the up direction. So we have to remember that. This diagram over here is starting up. So it's going, move forward up. Then it has to turn, and it's turning to the left. Move forward. Now it has to turn again. Turn to the left. Move forward. Now it has to turn again. Turn to the left. Move forward. So let's try those commands. We're going to start by moving forward. Turn to the left. Move forward. Turn to the left. Move forward. Turn to the left. And move forward. We are going to turn to the left because they want us to finish with the turtle facing in the up direction. If you look at this moving diagram, you're going to see that the turtle faces the up direction when it's finished. So let's press run. While this is going through the program, you'll notice in the workspace that it's highlighting in yellow the step that it's on. Makes it very user-friendly. And you can have a better idea of where you went right and where you might need some extra help. So that is lesson 1, task 2. Lesson 1, task 2 asked us to move left. If you take a look and you notice in the toolbox, the only command that you have, the only directional command that you have is to turn left. So what happens if we need to, turning left is going to make us go this way. But what if we need to go this way? What if we need to turn right? If we have to turn right, we have to do things a little bit differently. If I would turn left again, and then turn left again, you'll notice that my direction here matches my direction here. So 3 left turns equals 1 right turn. Once again, if you notice, you're going to see that I turned left here. That's 1. 2, 3. That is going to equal 1 right turn. If I had you in class right now, and if we had this, if we were meeting together right now, I would have you stand up, and you might want to do this at home. I would have you stand up and face right. For me, when I face right, I'm looking at my staircase. Okay, now I'm going to go back to center. Now I'm going to go left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I can see that I'm back at my staircase. 3 lefts is equal to 1 right. So a little bit of a confusing thing when you're trying to do it on this turtle where it's this abstract thing. Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of the, there we go, got rid of it. There. So let's get moving here then. If we take a look at the instructions, and once again, I always like to move my workspace as I need to and move my instructions as I need to. So right now I'm looking at the instructions. They want me to draw this 1 by 1 square. Take a look at where the turtle is at the end and take a look at where the square is. So I'm going to first start by moving forward, and then I'm going to turn left 3 times. When I turn left 3 times, I'm sorry, there, 1. So I'm moving forward 1, 2, 3 times. Now I'm going to move forward again. And then I'm going to have to turn left 3 times because that's going to give me a right turn. I'm going to move forward again. And I'm going to turn left 1, 2, 3 times. Move forward. And I need to face that up direction. So let's see where I land right now. So I move forward. Now I'm turning right, which is left 3 times. Move forward. Making my right hand turn. Move forward. Making my right hand turn. Move forward. I need to be facing in the up direction. So I'm going to need to turn left 1, 2, 3 more times. And I'm just going to run through my program 1 more time. Making a right hand turn by turning left 3 times. Now is making the final right turn. And now we're facing in the correct direction. And if we look a little bit closer, we're going to see that I have the same thing going on over here in my screen on the left as I do in the instructions. All right, task 4. I am not even going to start to act like this is not a tricky one. When it comes to task 4, yep. All right. So when it comes to task 4, I'm actually going to need to do this first. So I'm going to reduce my workspace a little. I want to be able to see what I'm expected to be drawing. So first of all, we need to make sure that this turtle ends in that position at the end. I know that making right-hand turns is very, very time consuming. I'm going to choose not to make too many right-hand turns. I've done quite a few things. I have gone down and then turn left, and then turn left, and then turn left, and then now I have to turn right. And then I'm just going to have to do a lot of right-hand turns when I get down here. So what I was looking for is ways to not have to turn right. I wanted to start off by doing all lefts. So I was playing around and I drew this on a piece of paper many, many times, and then I came up with this. So if we start and we go 1, 2, move. I'm sorry. We have to first start by turning this guy so he's facing in the other direction. We want to make him facing in that direction. So in order to make him turn to the right, we're going to have to turn to the left 3 times so that he's then facing in the right direction. So right now he's facing up, so we have to turn right or turn left 1, 2, 3 times, and that's going to get him to face the right direction. So we have to do first things first, and we're going to turn this turtle this way, so now it's facing in that direction. I'm going to move forward 1, 2 spaces. The reason I'm going to move forward 2 spaces is because my goal is to do this. That's my goal. I'm going to rewrite that for you. So I'm going to first start by turning my turtle to the right. And in order to get it to the right, I'm going to have to make 3 lefts. So we're going to go like that. Then I'm going to move forward 1, 2 spaces, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces, turn left, move forward 1 space, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces, turn left. I will overlap here. I'm going to move forward 1, 2 spaces, turn left, move forward 1, 2 spaces, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces, turn left, move forward 1 space, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces, turn left, move forward 1, 2 spaces, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 spaces. I will then have to make my turtle facing the correct direction. Right now my turtle is facing down and I need it to eventually be facing up, which means that I'm going to need to have it turn to the left and then to the left again. So that would be 2 lefts to make that happen. All right, let's see if we can do this together. So first we're going to start by turning left 3 spaces. That's going to turn the turtle so it's facing the right direction. And by right, I mean the direction right, not the correct. Move forward 2 spaces. That'll get it to a little bit past this midpoint. Turn left. Move forward 3 spaces to get it from the bottom to the top. Turn left to move it 1 space over to the left. Move forward that 1 space. I'm going to pull my workspace up and I'm going to pull this up. Now I'm going to move forward. So right now I have to turn left. because I need to face down and move forward 3 spaces. Let's make sure that we're on the right track. I'm going to press run. Okay, so now we have that center column that goes up and down. Now I need to turn left, and I'm going to move forward 2 spaces so that I'm at the lower right-hand corner of my figure. I will then turn left, and I'm only going to move forward 2 spaces at this point. The reason I'm only moving forward 2 spaces at that point is because I only want to get to the top of the center horizontal column. After I move forward those 2 spaces, I'm going to turn left and then move forward 3 spaces. And let's run it. Let's make sure that we're in the right place. You can watch the yellow. It's now made a right turn. Now it's moving forward the 2 spaces. Turning left. You can follow the yellow highlights. All right, now I'm going to turn left. I'm going to finish out that section, turn left, move forward, turn left again. And then I'm going to move forward 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Moving forward 3 spaces to get the turtle from the right side, from the left side to the right side. And then going to turn left. And I'm only going to need to move forward 2 spaces because I only have 2 spaces at this point. Before I just turned left, I was down here at this bottom part. I was right here. And now I needed to turn left and move forward 1, 2 spaces. Now I'm going to turn left, move forward 3 spaces, turn left, move forward 3 spaces. So moving left, forward 1, 2, 3, another left, and then forward 1, 2, 3. So let's reset, run this, and let's watch the yellow highlighter as it goes. I missed one of the move forwards. So I do need to add another move forward. I don't know if I didn't put it there or if it just didn't catch properly. Okay, after we put that move forward in, then this line that just came down will come down one more over. Before I press reset run again, take a look at the direction that the turtle is. This turtle right now is facing down. I need to turn left 2 times so that it faces up. All right, follow the yellow. Now we're at the bottom. Turn left, and now it's facing in the upward direction like it should be. All right, so now we are looking at don't look at that answer. And if you choose to rewind to see the answer again, you're only going to be hurting yourself. Sorry, but it's true. All right, so let's talk about this. Remember, the turtle starts in the upward facing direction. So number 1 is telling us that, line 1 of my code says to move forward. So moving forward, turn left, turn left, turn left. Well, I know that 3 lefts is a right, so now I'm facing in the right direction, and it's going to be moving forward. Turn left, turn left, turn left. That means that we're facing right, so if we're going to go in the right direction from this position, that means that the turtle would be facing this way. Therefore, if the very last lines, 6, 7, and 8 weren't there, if they were not there, then it would be this one. If there was only line 6, just 1 turn left, then it would be this one. If there were 4 turn lefts, then it would be this one. But it's not. It's this one because there were 3 turn lefts. So it's the very, very, very first one. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to doing the next one with you.